hindi niyo ako nakikilala, magpapakilala ako, ha? Ako si Teslet. Ako naman si Becca. At ako si Vitas. Kami po ang host ninyo ngayong araw na ito. Gustong manalo ng house and lot? Sino gustong manalo ng brand new car? Sino naman ang gusto manalo ng cash prizes? Ganyan pong kabongga itong ating mga admin. At sagot po yan, Elisa Dalagan. Yes, and trip to Jerusalem. Jerusalem. Sa kanya
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At welcome sa DAP Reunion, second reunion, 4th anniversary. Hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa, magpapasalamat lang ako sa mga nag-sponsor sa atin. Kung wala sila, mahirapan tayo. Unang-una, si Julieta de la Cruz from Canada, Lourdes Mangahas from UK, Mayet Rubin from California, Vic Ubana and Tess Ubana, Henry Villanueva and Ladri Villanueva, Senny Muller from Germany, Marisa Castro from Long Beach, Julia Molero, Yoli Monto from Melbourne, Nestor de Guzman, Delinda Santiago, Vicky Real Galang, Lerma Conghel from California, Armando Alson from Canada, Rose and Robert Aboy from UK, Rosario Campo from Maryland, Elizabeth Menag from Australia, Elby Polo, Minda Moran from California, I think, Serepe and Helen Pedron from California, Berhinga Padilla from Maryland, I think, and Emily Tech, Imelda Rivera from Switzerland, Luz Blanc Freeman from Tennessee, and Larry Santiago from Hong Kong. Tawagin ko lang yung aking admin.
Ako po si Violi, Makapagalbao to. Isa akong warbander sa production line, FN. Ayan. Ako si Ditas, dating Jess ng QA, Frontline, Hermetics, lahat na. Ako po yun.
Ako si Nelia, dating operator ng Shearform, JS ko si John na naging QA.
Ako po si Marilyn Monhilim sa Plastic One Banding.
Reggie Bernardo, Plastic One Banding. Hi, fans!
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Kung wala kayo, wala tayo. Tinatagan Dynetics 1973. To be exact, 50 years golden natin next year. So, mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay! We are golden. Okay. Thank you very much.
Nga pala si Roberto Aboy, isang supervisor ng maintenance. At ang misis ko, si Rose Aboy, ay isang DS ng plastic wire bonder at saka ng dia touchers. It's an honor to be here today and to stand here sa harap ninyong lahat to give a short speech for this reunion. So, and first and foremost, thank you to the organizer of this event, especially Jacob and his team, at ang pag-organize ng isang reunion just like this. Okay. I will try to give them a big thank you for giving their all efforts to organize this reunion. Please give them big applause, please.
As we grow old, we realize more that time is so precious. It is the one thing na hindi mo pwedeng bilhin. Time. Nung bata tayo, gusto natin forward. Pero ngayon gusto naman natin pause or rewind. Pero walang remote control. Yeah. So let us enjoy life and enjoy natin ang kasalukuyang precious time wisely. Punuin natin ang happy memories ang retirement years natin. Finally, I would like to end with an applause with the memory of our katropas that could not be with us today, wherever they may be, sa mundong ito, after life. Thank you for the good times we shared. Thank you so much.
Parapakan natin ang nananalang at mga kasamahan.
Half a century, removed from the discovered photo. Indeed, we are not the same people today, right? We have all moved on, and yet we still think we can go back in time in another sense. We still tend to see our workmates and friends with our hearts, reminiscing times and places that no longer exist. For 1973, time is suspended. Every time we gather, after all, wasn't it just yesterday we were singing the song of the Beatles, In My Life, with the lyrics, all the places have their names, with lovers and friends, and I still can recall. Some are dead, and some are living. In my life, I love them all. By now, we no longer have anything to prove. No longer interested to be seen in the best possible lights. The most important things now is to ourselves, right? Knowing that we have matured and gained a fuller perspective of what really matters in life. Mga kadap, aawitan po tayo